What do you got? Yep, smart man. The bedhead never ends. One day, we will figure out how to fix the bedhead problem. That day is not today. I realize it's been a while since I've done an actual curly hair video, just like straight up in the mirror. That being said, I have a mini assistant that actually inherited my curly hair. Might be curlier than mine. This is my son, okay? Look at the hair. So clearly he inherited my curly hair. His bedhead, Gio, look, my bedhead. This is after a year, by the way. We haven't cut it yet. We have something to go to later, and we need to tame both of our hair. Yep. So I'm gonna show you that what I do on my hair, I can do on his hair, which is curlier than mine. And also, it's really blonde. So the first thing we need to do is we gotta get our hair wet, buddy. I don't know how I'm gonna do this, because I can't do it while I'm holding him. Like a fucking kangaroo. Look at this. Look at this. Okay? But you know what? We gotta do what we gotta do. Okay? Dad life. So, first thing. Oh, I need a fucking towel. Uh-oh. I need to get both of our heads wet, first of all, which he's really not gonna like. He's gonna be pissed. Now it's his turn. You gotta start over with bedhead. You feel me? Sorry, buddy. Hang on. Okay. Now, if you've seen my videos before, you know you gotta give your head a good shake. I can't rattle the baby's brain, so he's not gonna give it a good shake. Grab a towel. Dab your hair. Okay, ready, buddy? Here we go. I'm sorry. So, we're dry. I like this. Strictly Curls Curl Enhancing Styling Foam, and the GOAT, Aries. This is a mousse. I'm gonna do me first, alright? Scrunch that shit in. Huh? Now, Harry's. That much Harry's. Not a lot. Little goes a long way. Oh. You can use any pomade as long as it's a water base. I've told you guys this before. Don't fuck this up. Alright? Shake your head. Oh yeah. Okay. First of all, his hair already looks really good. Okay. So we're gonna do the same thing, but we're gonna use only a little bit first. Mousse. And now, tiny little bit of pomade. Okay. Scrunch. Look. Oh yeah, buddy. Oh yeah. Okay, we're gonna leave the bathroom for a minute. Alright, so both of us are pretty much done, as you can see. Look. Look, Gio. The camera. Oh, there we are. A little bit of the Mark Anthony mousse. Scrunch that in. A little bit of the Harry's pomade. That's what we're both rocking right now. Now we're gonna go play for 20 minutes and let it dry, and we'll be back. Great. Oh, don't worry, Coda's still here. Coda! Oh my God. Yay! Yay! Where are you going? Oh. Okay, so it was about 20 minutes of playtime, and we are dry. So, oh, thank you. Okay, okay, he's hitting the camera with his, okay. Okay, for the record, and I've said this before, it dries crusty, which is not the vibe. Okay, you wanna get down? Gotta just give your head another good shake. So to get rid of the crusty look, once it's dry, I always go back in with a little bit more Harry's. A little bit, okay? Too much, you'll ruin it. Gio, you're next, buddy. Do this, the scrunch. Now I'm gonna get Gio. Ready, buddy? Oh, handsome baby. Gio, can you not? I'm just washing my hands, bud. Okay, all right, thank you. All right. Let's show everybody the results. Oh! So here's my hair. And here's Gio's hair. Oh, you hit, can you? Oh, okay, his hair is just incredible. His absolutely murks mine. Film a YouTube video with a 1-year-old. It'll be fun, it'll be entertaining. Okay, well, so moral of the story, nothing's changed. No matter how curly your hair is, if you're a baby, if you're an adult, tames your curly hair, you're welcome. And it takes like 20 minutes. Again, like 5 minutes to apply, wait for it to dry for like 15 minutes, put a little bit more pomade in. Start with the Mark Anthony Curl Enhancing Styling Foam, then you put Harry's in while it's still wet to lock that shit in, let it dry, put a little bit more pomade in, break up the crustiness, and hold it together. There you go, you're welcome. Gio, let's say goodbye. Come here, buddy. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon. Thank you, bye. Say bye-bye. Gio, bye. Bye-bye. Okay, all right. Godspeed, everyone. Thanks for being here.